CoConstruct software integration can transform how you manage your construction projects by connecting it with the tools you already use. Whether you need to sync with accounting software, project management platforms, or CRM systems, CoConstruct offers a variety of integration options. Stick with me until the end to discover how easy it is to streamline your workflow and make your business more efficient. Now, before we dive into the details, I want to let you know that you can try CoConstruct for completely free using the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else, more on that at the end. Let's get started with the basics of CoConstruct's integrations. The first thing you need to know is that CoConstruct works with some of the most popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This integration means you can sync your financials seamlessly between the two systems, making it easier to track budgets, expenses, and invoices without doing double the work. No more transferring data manually between platforms, it's all automated. Next thing, let's talk about how CoConstruct integrates with project management tools. It's compatible with platforms like Buildertrend and Procore. This makes it easier to track project timelines, manage schedules, and collaborate with teams, all while keeping everything connected to your budget and financials in CoConstruct. No need to bounce between apps or deal with scattered information. Everything is consolidated in one place. The third thing I want to highlight is CoConstruct CRM integration. By connecting your CRM system, like Salesforce or HubSpot, with CoConstruct, you can keep track of customer relationships and project details in one system. This eliminates the need to enter customer data multiple times across different platforms, saving you time and ensuring that all your communication and project management data is aligned. Next up, let's talk about the integration with subcontractor and supplier management. CoConstruct integrates with apps like TradeTap, allowing you to streamline your contractor selection process and manage your subcontracts easily. With real-time updates and notifications, you can ensure that every team member is on the same page and that you're working with trusted partners. The last thing you should know is how CoConstruct can integrate with your scheduling tools. Whether you use Google Calendar, Outlook, or another tool, CoConstruct makes it easy to sync your schedules and keep everyone in the loop. This ensures that deadlines are met and no important appointments slip through the cracks. To wrap up, I've mentioned that CoConstruct can connect with other tools like QuickBooks, Procore, Salesforce, and many more, which will make your work smoother and more efficient. Remember, you can try CoConstruct for free using the first link below and get exclusive bonuses to kickstart your integration journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your extended free trial from the link below.